Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Portable Butane Torch. Number 1. Iwatani Professional. Elevate your culinary experience with this top-quality butane torch designed to bring professional-grade results to your kitchen. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, this torch combines safety, convenience, and precision in a compact design. The adjustable flame feature allows you to customize the size and shape, ensuring you have just the right amount of heat for any task. With its user-friendly one-touch piezo ignition and stabilizing plate, you can focus on perfecting your dishes without worry. This versatile kitchen tool is ideal for a variety of applications, from roasting and charring vegetables to glazing ham and browning toppings. Create the perfect sugary crust on creme brulee, or add a golden finish to meringues and pastries with ease. For sous vide enthusiasts, this torch is the ultimate companion, adding complex flavors and a delightful texture to steaks, fish, chicken, and vegetables in minutes. Its portable design makes it equally useful for camping trips, BBQs, or culinary school. Simply twist to lock it in place, and you're ready to ignite your culinary creativity anywhere, anytime. Number 2, ravs Soldering. Experience precision and power with this high-quality butane torch, crafted from durable metal for superior performance compared to standard plastic models. Designed with an ergonomic handle, it offers a comfortable and secure grip, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced users. With dual flame modes, you can easily switch between settings to suit various tasks, and the adjustable flame control allows you to reach temperatures up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you need a focused or softer flame, this torch adapts effortlessly to your needs. Perfect for a range of applications, from gourmet cooking and pastry finishing to arts and crafts, jewelry making, and even small welding tasks. This torch proves to be an invaluable tool. Its refillable design ensures long-lasting use, and the piezo press ignition allows for quick, one-handed operation. A wide copper base enhances stability, preventing tipping during use. Refilling is simple and fast, just 15 seconds for a full tank. Supported by a 1-year technical guarantee, this torch combines efficiency, reliability, and versatility to ignite your creativity in the kitchen and beyond. Number 3, TBTeek Adjustable. Unlock a new level of control and safety in your kitchen with this premium butane torch. Built with an aluminum alloy body, it offers enhanced durability and a sturdy feel, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, keeping your hands safely away from the flame. Equipped with a safety lock, it prevents accidental ignition, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned chefs. The refillable design, complete with 3 butane adapters, ensures compatibility with various butane tanks, providing convenience and extended use. This versatile torch reaches a maximum temperature of 1,371 degrees Celsius, 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're caramelizing sugar on creme brulee, searing steaks, melting cheese, or even soldering DIY jewelry, this torch delivers consistent and precise heat. The piezo ignition technology offers instant lighting with a simple press of a button, and the continuous flame mode allows you to lock the flame in place without holding the button. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle and ideal for use at home, during camping trips, or for crafting projects. Number 4, TBTeek Kitchen. Enhance your culinary skills with this versatile butane torch designed for effortless one-hand operation and equipped with a long nozzle for added safety. Perfect for busy days, it allows you to prepare delicious meals quickly and efficiently. The built-in gas gauge helps you monitor fuel levels with ease, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly and can manage your cooking or DIY projects smoothly. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this torch offers both sturdiness and a comfortable grip, keeping your hands safely away from the flame. With an adjustable flame regulator, you can customize the intensity to suit a variety of tasks, reaching temperatures up to 1,371 degrees Celsius, 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The convenient continuous flame mode allows you to lock the flame with a simple press, making it ideal for longer tasks without the need to hold down the button. Beyond the kitchen, this torch excels in a range of applications, from soldering jewelry and welding to crafting and outdoor activities. Its reliability and ease of use make it a fantastic gift for cooking enthusiasts, craftsmen, or anyone who loves to explore creative projects. Number 5. Sondiko Refillable. Elevate your culinary skills with this professional-grade butane torch, designed for precision and safety. Equipped with a transparent fuel gauge, it allows you to monitor gas levels effortlessly, helping you manage your cooking projects without interruption. The gauge also features a max line to prevent overfilling, ensuring safe and reliable use every time. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, this torch combines longevity with a lightweight design, making it easy to handle for both beginners and experienced chefs. Safety is a top priority, with a built-in safety lock to prevent accidental ignition and a wide-set base to prevent tipping. The long, angled nozzle and burn-free finger guard keep your hands safely away from the heat, allowing you to focus on creating perfectly caramelized sugar on creme brulee, seared steaks, or roasted vegetables. The adjustable flame control reaches temperatures up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for tasks beyond the kitchen, like jewelry making, welding, and camping. With its refillable design and simple trigger-style ignition, this torch is both convenient and portable, making it an essential tool for every kitchen and workshop. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.